walk on the side of the street where I can see traffic coming. It's a lot less likely for someone to pop up behind you if you're walking against traffic. You see everything that way.
mandarina, usted mandarina. Mandarina.
Wasn't even recording that, bro. How could you not record that? Oh, cool. Thank here. I think I found it. Laureles Sweet Georgia. Okay. You already know I made it. What's going on, brother? Yeah, I mean, I did say that I'll come through.
Yes, sir.
Check out the Laureles spot. You here more often than the Poblado spot?
In the morning. This morning I decided to be a little extra fat because I do love the food at Sweet George's Cafe. I did start off with some pancake and eggs, and then I moved on to order some more food. I got myself some French toast, orange juice, vegetables again, more eggs, and home fries. I kid you not. I love the food from Sweet George's Cafe because it tastes similar to back in the States, a family-friendly diner. So Rob is always gonna get my money every time I pull through Sweet George's Cafe. He has chefs, man. I don't know what he taught his chefs, but his chefs are on point, man. When it comes to the food, it's on point. Even when it comes to making dinner dishes like this one that I have here, oh my gosh, I am salivating talking about this. When he made the barbecue wings, man, and the mac and cheese, I don't know what he taught his Colombian chefs, man. They throw down in those kitchens. And once again, Rob is cool peoples, man. You definitely got to come to his shops. When you bump into him, chop it up with him because he has a whole lot of knowledge. And on top of that, if you communicate with Rob in the Laureles spot, he does have rooms available for those who are fresh off the plane and need a place to crash for, like, let's say a day or two. Even if you want to stay at a spot long term, I would recommend that you contact them in advance. But yeah, this would be the spot that you would go to if you're feeling insecure in these Colombian streets and you want to be around other Americans or other melanated Americans so you have a sense of community and camaraderie. Sweet George's Cafe would be the spot. I do call it the unofficial / official embassy of Colombia for brothers and Americans alike. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll get you guys at the next one. Take it easy.